Welcome back in my second video on tools available in Avogadro software. Hope you all downloaded Avogadro in your system. When you open Avogadro software, you will find this on your screen. This black display panel is the display unit. On the top you have toolbar. So, the already selected tool is the draw tool. By using this draw tool, you can edit a existing chemical structure or you can draw a fresh molecule. The next available tool is the navigate tool. You can get a proper view of the molecule by translation, rotation, zoom in, zoom out using this navigate tool. Near to this is the bond centric manipulation tool. Through bond centric manipulation tool, you can manipulate bond angle. The next is basically the manipulation tool. By manipulation tool, we can adjust the position of the particular atom or residue within a molecule, and this is next tool showing in your screen is basically the selection tool. Through selection tool, you can select a particular atom or a group of atom or a residue or the complex molecule. Then there is a very important tool that is used during presentation. So, if you want continuous rotation of the molecule, then you can use auto rotation tool option. Next to this auto rotation tool, there is a tool auto optimization tool. So, the Avogadro has molecular mechanics space. So, by using optimization tool, you can clear up the molecular space. Next tool is basically the measuring tool. By measuring tool, we can measure the bond length, bond angle, and finally the last one is the align tool. Using align tool, you can align the molecule along a particular axis. Now, let us draw our first molecule. So, the already selected tool is the draw tool. Here you can see the elements. So, these are the basically most frequently used elements. If you don't find your element in this list, you can click on other option from where you can select your desired element. So, let us draw water molecule. So, for this water molecule, first I am selecting the oxygen. Now, you can define the types of bond, single, double or triple bond. Okay, I am choosing single bond and clicking on this display unit. So, your oxygen atom is there. Now, I am going to select hydrogen. Now, this is the hydrogen. Now, hold down the left mouse button and drag from oxygen, and you will have one bond, single bond, oxygen and hydrogen. Then again hold down the left button of mouse and drag it, and your water molecule is ready. So, by using the optimization tool, we can optimize this geometry. So, this is our auto optimization tool. So, click on this auto optimization tool. So, there are some options available: force field, steps per update. So, okay, I am going to start this auto optimization tool, and here you can see the number of steps it calculated. So whenever it process will end, the value of E will be the dE will be the 0. So this is now our optimized geometry. Now the first thing we can do, that you can save the file. So go to the file option, then save as. There are multiple options for saving this file depending on your requirement. So XYZ, then Mol2, later we will discuss about this. So I am saving this file in the mode CML extension. Let us giving the name water molecule. Selecting on desktop and save this graphics. So friends, subscribe my channel and like this video. You can post your comment in the comment box. Thank you.